Spend the day with me feeling like a princess on Valentine's Day. I'm so excited to share this video with you. I'm so excited that Valentine's Day is almost here, and today I wanted to share some wonderful tips for how to feel like a beautiful princess on Valentine's Day. The first thing that I love to do is to wake up. Then have a nice and relaxing bath. There's nothing that I love more than to have a nice relaxing bath on Valentine's Day. Wear a beautiful dress. I'm wearing this gorgeous silky dress. So today we're going to make a heart-shaped cake for Valentine's Day. I think it looks so pretty and it's such a lovely thing to make. The first thing that we're going to do is to add the crumb coating to the cake. I like to add my buttercream in a piping bag, and then I just like to pipe all the buttercream on the cake. I got a very cheap grocery store cake, which was only £1. And then I cut out this heart, and then I added all the buttercream. Once I added all the buttercream, I'm going to smooth it out with, I like to use a knife because it works very well. Once you have your first layer, you're going to add the second layer. I really like to use the piping bag because it really helps me to practice a little bit for when we're going to decorate it, and I just love how pretty it looks. So you just, with your piping bag, you just go around with all the buttercream, and to make sure that the whole cake is covered up with the buttercream. Then you're going to smooth out the second layer as well, using a little knife. So yeah, now I have it all smooth. Once you're happy with the cake, you're going to decorate it. I'm using my piping bag, and I have some white buttercream, and then I just add it around the cake. I made these beautiful little swirls. I just love how it turned out. It looks so pretty already. So you add some swirls, and then I added a layer of swirls underneath the cake. And now I'm going to add some pink roses, just to finish it off, and I think that it looks so pretty with the little roses. Such a pretty cake. I just love how this cake turned out, and I think that it's the perfect treat for Valentine's Day, and I just love making it. I think it looks so pretty. So today we're going to have a Valentine's Day inspired high tea at home. I got my favorite little teacup. I think this one is so pretty. I got it for Valentine's Day, and I will link it down below. Then we're having our cake that we've just made, which looks so delicious. Such a lovely treat. I found this really cute trinket box with a pretty rose. I have some beautiful flowers. I just love to have some pretty flowers for Valentine's Day, and some delicious macaroons in a pink lingerie box. So today we're going to make a delicious drink for Valentine's Day. I have my pretty little teacup, and I added some hot water and some cacao. Then I add some milk. And now I'm going to add some cream. I just love to have some cream. And some marshmallows in pretty pink and white colors. I think it looks so pretty. The perfect little drink for Valentine's Day. I also have some delicious chocolates from Lingerie. My favorite little teapot. And the delicious cake that we've made. And some macaroons. And some beautiful flowers. I just love to have some delicious treats for Valentine's Day. So today we're going to write some love letters and seal them with a pink wax stamp. I think it's such a lovely way to write some beautiful love letters to your loved ones and to seal them with a little wax stamp. I heated some wax melt in a pretty pink color, and then I have this beautiful little stamp, and I just stamp it on top so you get this gorgeous little wax stamp on your love letters. I just love the Emma movie. It's one of my most favorite movies, and I just love to watch it. And I think it's the perfect occasion on Valentine's Day to watch Emma because it's such a beautiful love story, and I just love it so much. It's one of my most favorite movies, and the perfect movie to watch on Valentine's Day. So today we're going to make some delicious cotton candy pancakes for Valentine's Day. I think this is such a lovely little treat. So I made some delicious buttermilk pancakes, and I added some cotton candy on there, some pretty pink cotton candy, and I just love how it looks. It looks so beautiful, and it's really delicious as well. I just love to make myself some delicious cotton candy pancakes for Valentine's Day. I just love to have some delicious macaroons from La Durée, especially on Valentine's Day. I also wanted to make a drink. I still have this like rosé champagne, and I added to a glass with some cotton candy, which is so delicious. Go on Pinterest and make a mood board for Valentine's Day. I just love to go on Pinterest and to look for beautiful pictures and to get really inspired. And I just love all the beautiful pictures. They always make me so happy to look at them. And I just love to make a beautiful mood board out of them as well, just to get inspired for Valentine's Day. I just love how beautiful all the pictures look. This is the mood board that I've made. I just love how it turned out. It looks so pretty. I just love to wear a comfy outfit and get all cozy at home. I made myself a delicious drink, and I'm wearing this beautiful knitted sweater and to just get all cozy. To just get all cozy at home, making a delicious drink for myself. Today we're going to make a beautiful floral arrangement. I found this gorgeous little marble vase from TK Maxx, and I think it was so pretty. I got some beautiful flowers from Amazon, so I thought it will be the perfect little gift to myself to make a beautiful bouquet with some pretty roses and some hydrangeas, and I just love how it turned out. Such a lovely Valentine's Day gift to myself. I just love to have a beautiful vase on my nightstand, so I think it's so pretty and so easy to make as well. I just love to have a delicious treat before I'm going to bed. Then I'm going to bed and have some very sweet dreams. Before I go to sleep, I love to read a little bit in my favorite book. And when I'm all tired, I just love to sleep and dream of this beautiful Valentine's Day. So this was my video with some tips for how to feel like a beautiful princess on Valentine's Day. I hope I can inspire you. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon with some new inspiration. Thank you so much. Bye!